The New Zealand dollar continues to be a pretty good barometer of what's happening around the world, and the fact that we've lifted strongly over the past week does give a good indication that we've seen a more positive mood in the global marketplace. And we saw further evidence of this on Friday when the US unemployment rate dropped below 9% for the first time in a couple of years. We've actually seen quite strong job creation out of the US market, which should bode well for that part of the world. Now, this really meant that equity markets had a reasonable end to the last week, with European markets up and US markets virtually flat on Friday's trading. And this has also meant that the New Zealand dollar has been lifting fairly strongly over the past week, lifting around 3.5 cents against the US dollar. And early on Monday morning, we were trading at 77.70, but closing in on that 78-cent mark against the US dollar. New Zealand lamb schedule prices continue to look pretty strong, and they have been very, very strong over the past couple of months. However, it does seem like it's only going to be a matter of time before we start to see these schedule prices ease. There's a couple of factors that are going on. The first is that procurement has been very, very tight here at home in New Zealand, but of course we are expecting to see more lambs come to market, and some of this pressure will ease through the season. The second couple of factors are external, and they are that we're seeing some pressure come on our external markets, the likes of the UK, and they're starting to see more competition for meat coming from the likes of the Australians. The other factor is that the New Zealand dollar has been rising against virtually all currencies, and this will put some pressure on local schedule prices. So we are expecting to see some easing in prices from the very, very high levels that we're currently seeing. But we're not too pessimistic about the outlook because we still believe that prices will be about what they were over the past season.